Nu, trebuie să o ducem în urmă.
Hop, aia pocă. Ia supraveghem. Because it goes, it have two clips, like two tips, and goes under the fender. You should loosen the fender, pull it slightly away, and after you can slide this plastic and take it off. The plastic is out. It's the same on our side. Another one is removed too.
Steek, trebuie să fie șlangul ăsta, stai, unde connected de la...
Trebuie să încolțeam. And also, don't forget to remove these holes that goes to the windshield washer. Înainte apoi rândă. Just wiggle it a little bit. And after we can take it out. Close the hood. The plastic now is removed. And now we're gonna start to remove the windshield. We're gonna use this tool, this kind of wire, and two handles like this. Somebody will hold it from inside, somebody from outside, and we're gonna cut the glue. More. Tu ai pus, trebuie pe vârf să-l pui. Hai, tragi înapoi.
Să stai că eu am făcut.
One end of the wire is outside, another end is inside. Now we're gonna put the handles and we'll start to cut the glue.
Ești mănuși de pui.
Okay. The negative battery cable is connected, and after we're gonna remove these side panels from inside to have more room and to not scratch them. And here is the airbag, so to remove these side panels around the windshield from inside, you should remove this clip right here. It holds the panel, so if the airbag will explode, it will not hit you in your face with the plastic. It will hold just the plastic here. So now we're gonna take it out. Also we're gonna take out this one.
Right. Oh.
To remove this plastic right here, it have two tabs on the sides. You should press from the right side and from the left, and now you can take it out. This is how it looks inside. You should press on these tabs. The roof is almost out. Nu, stai, nu întind, de ori mare conectore, cabluri. The roof have two bolts in the front, right here, under this cover. You should remove this light cover. And after, you will see here two bolts, on one side, on another. Now we're gonna remove these two bolts and take out the roof. Now we should connect all the connectors. It goes around the roof. It have a few on the rear side and a few in the front right here. Let's connect all of them and after we can take it out. We should connect these wires right here, the same on another side, and after from the rear. Now we should disconnect these three connectors for all these wires. That goes to the roof cover, and after the same procedure here. Fac? Stai că...
Valeriu, telefonul este? Cam greu să înțelegi.
Nu am făcut că nu poate.
I-ai făcut telefonul la Andrew?
De unde am făcut?
Почти кабриолет. Bля, cam greu telefonul este.
Стеша те с ним трошки по секунду підігати. Давай, даю, тут раж дімфаці, даю самого дійся.
Давай, давай. И вот новый телефон.
На мені є сказав.
Ну что. Давай. Давай. Чуть-ка.